What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to do my 3-2-1 ribs. They're not really mine, but basically this is how everyone says to make ribs on the Traeger. So first things first, let's get going. Turn this on. Turn it on smoke setting. Let it get heated up. And once we get heated up here, or preheated I guess, then we're going to set it to 180 degrees, which is, as you can see, is just above the smoke settings. Okay, so here's all the stuff you're going to need. Obviously a slab of ribs. I have 3 slabs, but this recipe is obviously going to be for 1. I need some olive oil, black pepper, white pepper, a little bit of cumin, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic, turmeric, a little garam masala, and cayenne pepper, in addition to brown sugar and salt. First thing first, get this out of the plastic with a paper towel. You just grab it and pull it, see, like that. Comes right off. And then after you get it just right, like I said, it just comes right off. So, okay, let's talk seasoning. Get your shaker. I highly recommend getting a shaker. So, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, teaspoon cayenne, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon garlic, onion powder, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of dark chili powder, half of a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of white pepper and black pepper. I had to triple my quantities, so the whole freaking thing is full, but fits in there just perfectly. So just a little bit of olive oil, not much, but you know, we want to just have the ribs just a little bit sticky, so you know they'll hold the spice. Just shake it on. Okay, there we have it. Man, these look really good already, and I haven't even started to cook them. Glorious. All right, let's get these on the smoker. Holy shit, that would have been bad. 180 degrees for 3 hours with the meat side up is the first step. So I'll be back in 3 hours to walk you through the next step. The next step is super easy. We're just going to wrap these up. So looking really good. Looks like this side of the grill is a lot hotter than the left side, so I'm going to swap these around. This foil is terrible. So anyway, I'm going to have to double foil this, because it doesn't get, you want it to be tight, airtight. We're using the Texas crutch, as it's called. I also got my beans. My beans are going in. I put some chorizo and onions in there, like was recommended to me by one of my viewers, for 2 hours at 225. So crank up your temperature. Now I will see you in 2 hours, and it's time to take these out, very carefully unwrap them, and we're going to then brush them down with on both sides of our favorite barbecue sauce. When we're done with that, basically we put them back on the grill for anywhere from 35 minutes to an hour. Wonderful. You can see the bones coming out here. That's a good sign that everything's cooked. Just grab your favorite sauce, whatever that may be. Grab a brush and coat it up nice. If you'd like to see a recipe to make your own barbecue sauce, feel free to check the cards or the link below. I will definitely put that in there. I'd highly recommend it. It's kind of like a Chicago style hybrid, Kansas City style. Very, very good though. Yeah, I definitely need to invest in a shelf because there's just not enough room to work. There's no temperature change. You're just going to keep it at 225, and basically we're going to firm this sauce up real nice. You'll see what I mean when we're done. I will see you back in 1 hour when I'm all finished with these, and I'll tell you the final result and how they come out. Okay, we are done. Let's take a look at how these are inside and how inevitably they taste. They look really great. Ah, yeah, look at that. Fantastic. Perfect. We've got a little smoke ring. Perfect. 1/4 inch smoke ring. Middle is done. It stays together nice, but you bite it. Got a little bit of pull to it. Oh, here's the other side. How juicy those are. Awesome. Oh my gosh, those are delicious. Oh man. I'm so glad I made 3 racks of these because I'm going to eat so many. So sous vide ribs can get kind of mushy by comparison. These have a little more pull to them, but it's just perfect. Just perfect. Oh man, these are amazing. I am definitely so far really liking this new toy of mine. Definitely liking it. Thanks for watching. This is the 3-2-1 ribs. Got any questions? Leave a comment. If you like what I'm doing, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.